Hello Automation Anywhere lovers, welcome back to KT Sessions. And in previous couple of videos, we saw how can we automate a website or a web page in Automation Anywhere A360. And we have explored browser package of the Automation Anywhere. And in previous video, we were trying to input some values in the fields. So we were able to input some text or some digits in the text field. In day-to-day life, when we use our computer system, we use lot of keys. For example, we use function keys, we use these special keys like enter, shift, control, and all these. So in today's session, we are going to see how can we use these keys in our Automation Anywhere A360. I have opened this website, and when I press tab key, so you can see this focus of the elements is moving to the next element. See, and for example, if the focus is in any of these text boxes, and when I press enter key, this form will get submit. We can just use keyboard keys to perform some actions. Means if we want to click on the submit button, so instead of clicking on this submit button, we can hit enter. Let me refresh this and let me go to the control room, and I have already created a task board, Simulate Keystroke, and in actions I will search for Simulate Keystrokes, so I can see one package, and it contains only one action. So I will take one action of Simulate Keystrokes, and in the right hand side we can see properties of this action. So first of all, we need a window on which we want to apply these keystrokes. So I will go to this browser tab and let me refresh Windows. So here we have this RPA challenge window, which I am going to use. And in under keystrokes, we can see this option to enter the keystrokes. So here you can either give the alphabets or digits, any special symbol, etc. But we are going to use the keystrokes. So for that, we need to click on this insert keystroke icon, and this keyboard kind of window will appear, and here we can select the key which we want to use. So for example, I want to use this tab key. I will click on it. So here you can see all the special keys of keyboard are available. Arrow keys, control, shift, alt, everything is available. So whatever key you want to use, you can click on that. So for example, I want to use 3 times. I want to use 3 tabs, so I will click 3 times on this tab key. And to close this window, pop-up window, we can click again on this insert keystroke. And now we can see 3 tabs here. So let me click on save. And let me run the bot. Now see what will happen. I will go back to this website or this web page. See, you can see tab key has pressed successfully. This movie search button is under focus. So let me show you one thing. I have refreshed this window. So I have opened this on-screen keyboard, and when I will press tab key, see the focus will come here. And let me press tab key again. So we will count how many times we are pressing the tab key. So already we have pressed 2 times. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when we press tab key 8 times, so this focus will come in this company name text box. Okay, so for this we need to press the tab key 8 times. So I will go back to the control room and let me close this. And here we will press the tab key 8 times. Already we have 3 counts. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So after pressing the 8 tab keys, I will the focus will come to the first element will be in the focus, the first text box. So whatever text box is available here. So now it's first name. So this text box will be focused. So let me run the board. Okay, our board is running. See, the focus is here in the email text box. So this is how we can use tab keys or any other keys. So let me show you one more thing. So after pressing the 8 keys, we will get the data in this. We will get the cursor in this first text box. So we have total 7 text boxes. So we can write some value in the first text box and we can press the tab key again. Okay. So that after that we can hit enter. Okay, so I have written this code. Let me. So first of all, we are pressing 8 tab keys 8 times. Okay. After that, it will enter first value and press tab key again. Then focus will move to the next element and it will enter second value. Then press tab. So on third value tab, fourth value tab. And after entering the 7th value, it will press the enter key so that it can submit the form. Okay. So let me save this and run the board. Let me refresh this also. Okay. So now it should enter 7 values and then hit the enter. It has entered all the values and enter and hit enter. So let me remove this enter. So guys, this is how you can use only one piece of one piece of code and you can input text in all these fields. No need to spy any element, no need to capture any object of this web page. This is not a good way or not a best practice. If initially the focus is on another element, so it will not work. Also, we don't get any error, means if it is able to enter the data or not. So if you want to keystrokes, then you can use it in the particular field, means after inputting the data in this field, it should hit the enter. So like that we can use. So thanks for watching, guys. You can use keystrokes as per your requirements, and if you want to press any specific keys from the keyboard, so you can use this action. And so thanks for watching this video. Do let me know if you have any doubt or any question. Thank you, guys.